Hi, this is Divya on behalf of expertvillage.com. What we have to do is, we have to take these peeled potatoes and have to deep fry them. Now before doing that, we really need to switch on the gas and put some oil to it. So I've done some part of it, I've put some oil to it. Now let me switch on this gas, which isn't starting. So I think I should lift it up, put it down, then maybe start it again. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah, done. Now, like really let it boil for some time and then put your potatoes to it one by one. That's how you do it. Make sure you're not going to make some nice fish fingers out of your fingers. So take care of that part. Yeah, it's done. Now let's move on to the next part of it, which is making the curry or the paste part of it.